Hi, I'm Shin, and I'm going to introduce about the EduPOWER, the Spark to Change the Future project that's funded by the Empower Board. To start off, my impact statement is I'm a firm believer in confronting changes and innovation, and I believe there are always ways to make things better and more accessible. I dedicate my life to improve humanity's quality of life by creating innovative products and services and persistently striving for improvement. So why we want to start this project in the first place is that, first of all, we see that the problem of the students at Agathians Shelter which are less exposed to extracurricular activities. The NGO is looking for volunteers who can either be a teacher, a friend, or even a guardian to the students in the house. So the evidence of this problem is that in Malaysia, 125,000 students have no access to primary education, especially children in remote areas. And the children in Agathians Shelter are one of them, where the study environment in Agathians Shelter is not conducive enough for the students there. Agathians Shelter is lacking of volunteers to manage and improve the shelter as a whole. Therefore, our project objective is to create an energizing and comfortable study environment to solve the issue of volunteer shortage, to manage the shelter, and to provide proper education for each student in Agathians Shelter in terms of studies and moral values. This is aligned with SDG 4, which is to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. So as mentioned, we have partnered with Agathians Shelter to carry out a series of key activities. So for example, our volunteers actually help to manage the administrative and management tasks in the NGO itself in order to help them to improve the management of the entire NGO. We also help to organize some recreational activities for the children over there. We organize the fundraising event for the children over there to actually help them to raise some money to buy their necessities, as well as finally, we also organize a global village where we invited international volunteers from different countries to actually share about their culture to the Heriot-Watt community. So all these activities have combined and actually create the outcome and impact of this project, which is one impacted NGO, one cultural exchange exhibition, 7 international volunteers involved, and 50 students participating. And not just that, we also help to prepare the number of teaching materials completed, which are 6 for them, so that we actually help to lay a foundation for them in terms of their education as well. So finally, I just want to say thank you to all the organizing committee in this project, which are 10 of them, and all of them are empowered to actually claim for the 150 kilowatt points under the domain of creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Last but not least, just want to say a big thank you to Empower Board for helping to make all these impacts happen. Thank you.